guys and welcome. Today I'm making this recipe to make tamales, but I'm only making half of the recipe. The reason why I'm doing this video again is because some of you guys had that question. You guys wanted to know if you can make less amount. The recipe that I have for you guys here, it's I think it's 8 cups. And today I'm going to be making half of the recipe, and you can even make less than that, and I'm going to show you how. And the purpose for this video is just to show you that. I'm not going to go over all the other steps because you already have the video, so I don't see the purpose of doing it again. If you want to see the video, it's going to be under this video, under the description box below, and you can go ahead and check everything that has to do with tamales. Okay, you can even put this tamales in the Instant Pot. It took 45 minutes for me to make like 60 tamales using the Instant Pot. Okay, I used the biggest one, which is the 10 quart, and all depends on the size of the tamales that you make too. And I wanted to take advantage to show you guys that yes, you can make less amounts. So now I am going to add the liquid, and it has to be really hot. And to mix all these ingredients, it's better for you to use a KitchenAid if you have it, and if you don't, you can go ahead and mix it with the spoon, but never with your hands because this is really hot. Okay, so I'm gonna start mixing. Okay, so now it's time to add the oil, but with this recipe, I'm not using oil today. I am using pork lard. You can also use vegetable shortening or even olive oil. I never tried the olive oil with my tamales, but if you want to give it a try, you can go ahead and do it. For this recipe, I am only adding 1 cup, and whatever you decide to use, for example, if you're using the lard or the shortening, just make sure that it's melted before you add it to the ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt, and I am also adding a little bit more of the beef broth. So I'm adding this salt to the beef broth and mixing it together because you don't want the big chunks of salt in the masa. It's very important for you guys to do this if you're gonna add salt to it, okay? So we're gonna be adding liquid little by little until we get the right consistency. And this is what I use to make my beef stock. This flavor, it is so delicious. Hopefully you guys can find it. It's called costilla jugosa, and it's really good. Okay, we're gonna mix more. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda. And mix again. Okay, I want to show you the consistency. If you can do this, you're ready to make your tamales. Now, if you want like a more spreadable consistency, you need to add more liquid, okay? My husband doesn't like this consistency. We made tamales for Christmas and he was not happy at all. So he was helping me and I wanted to make him happy, but I told him, you know what, I'll put the masa and the corn husk and you can do the rest. But yes, you can make it more spreadable by adding more liquid. Okay, this recipe is very easy to make. You can make it however you want. It's perfect. Some of you guys already tried this recipe and you guys loved it. And I want to thank you guys for all the feedback and all the positive comments about this masa. And like I said, under the description box below, you're gonna have all the videos that I have regarding the tamales, okay? Different fillings like for chicken with a green salsa, and also cheese with jalapeno. Yes, jalapeno. I think I did use jalapeno. The pineapple ones too. I have pineapple, and they're gonna be under the description box below like I did mention before. But this is ready. It's ready. You can start making the tamales. Okay, here it is. It's already clean. I already show you guys how to clean them. in my other video. So you're just gonna grab a little bit like this. Try to do it just halfway, okay? Because we have to fold this. This is the way I make my tamales. So what you do, you spread it. You can even use your hands to do this too, okay? They don't have to be perfect, and that is the reason why I love using this recipe. Or you can even go like this with your hand. That's another thing you can do, see? It's so easy. I don't like to use a lot of masa. Some people love masa and they don't like the meat, okay, that much. I like the meat more than the masa. But you can make it however you want. See how easy that is? So I put my serrano chiles in here, and be careful if you try this ones because those chiles are very, very spicy. I put some cheese in here. So you will fold it like this, okay? And then this side goes on top of it like this. And you fold this like this. And this is ready to go into your Instant Pot or to your, you can use a regular pot and put it in on top of the stove if you don't have an Instant Pot. But if you have an Instant Pot, this is the best recipe and the best way of making tamales, let me tell you. If you haven't tried this, just give it a try and you are going to love them. Okay, so right here I added more liquid and this is the consistency that I have. It's more spreadable. See? So just to let you know, you can do whatever you want. To me, it's a lot easier just to use the other way that I show you guys. But you know, there's some people like my husband that just like to grab it and spread it. You can also do that too. Okay guys, I want to show you an example with this consistency. See how easy that is? Amazing. So when my husband is helping, this is the way I make my consistency right here. I like to give you guys choices and I want to show you this way. My mother-in-law used to make tamales like for the whole neighborhood. She had those big old pots and she used to make like probably like 800, 900 tamales to give away every Christmas and New Year's. You fold one side and then the other side. Okay, you fold it this way and here's another tamale ready to go. Thank you so much, my friends, for spending time with me, and I really do hope you guys like this video. And also I am hoping that I did answer all your questions, especially you guys that wanted to know if you can make less amounts of tamales. And yes, you can even make 2 cups, or if you want to make 300, 400 tamales, you can go ahead and just change the amounts of the ingredients that I have for the original recipe. And if you do like this video, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.